Hello everybody, welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Holi, the colorful festival, is just few days away and it is celebrated with lots of color, lots of variety of food is being eaten on these days. During this colorful festival, we prepare many foods and some of the foods I have already prepared, which you can see in the link above. You can just tap it above. It's your keto almond halwa you can prepare. You can prepare the keto vada, that is your dahi vada. That also you can prepare. And today is keto Gujiya. Yes, it's a very famous dish and it is relished during this. Actually, this is a Holi sweet. We have some sweets which are prepared in different ways in different festivals. So likewise in Holi we prepare the Gujiyas and this is a keto version of those Gujiyas and it's really awesome and you are going to love it. So let's begin with it. And before that, please viewers, subscribe to my channel. This will motivate me to continue making more videos, to come out with more new ideas of good food, keto version and healthy food too. So let's begin with it. So I have taken almond nuts and I have just blended in the mixer jar. And here I am sieving the almond flour so that I get fine flour out of it. So I have taken the almond flour into a mixing bowl. This is the preparation of the Gujiya dough. I am adding Psyllium Husk to it, which would help in binding. Here goes the salt. That would add a good flavor to this Gujiyas. Basically the covering is a bit salty. Here goes the baking powder, which will add the softness to the and crispiness even. Here goes the Xanthan Gum. That will also help in binding. So now I'm mixing it up thoroughly. Mix it thoroughly so that it becomes a homogeneous mixture. Now I'm adding oil to it. You can add ghee even. Now mix it thoroughly. And now I am going to make a soft dough out of it with the help of water. Just make a soft dough. Very soft dough I have to make. See, xanthan gum, when you add water, it becomes a bit sticky. That is we want, so that the dough becomes sticky. It becomes easier to handle then. So I am making a soft dough. My dough is prepared. I am just going to cover and keep it aside. And now I am going to prepare the stuffing. So heat a non-stick pan, add ghee to it, and here goes the paneer. Usually people use mawa into it. I am using paneer. Saute the paneer. This is your homemade crumbled paneer or grated paneer, or you can use your market bought paneer even. That you also have to grate it and saute it for at least 5 minutes. It will become soft, the water will start evaporating and the color will also change. It will become a bit dark than the white color. So now I am taking out the paneer mixture into a mixing bowl and I am going to add all the other dry ingredients after it cools down. So now after it has cooled down, I am adding the desiccated coconut. This will also absorb the remaining water in the paneer mixture. Here goes the Charoli or the Chirongi seeds. This really adds a beautiful taste to this Gujiya. Here goes the chopped almonds and Sugarfree Stevia or erythritol. I have added Stevia. You can add erythritol, a mixture of Stevia and erythritol, or monk fruit even. Mix it up thoroughly. It's better I mix it up with a hand. I am using my fingers to mix it up. Now I am adding cardamom powder to it. Now I am going to mix it up thoroughly. And see, after mixing up, this mixture or this stuffing is so tasty. You can simply roll out balls out of it like ladoos and you can eat it. or you can roll it out into two pieces of parchment paper, between two pieces of parchment paper, and cut it into square and have a like sandesh even. So this stuffing is really tasty. Now my stuffing is prepared. Now here comes the dough. I'm just kneading it up. It has swelled up. See, I'm just kneading it. Now I'm greasing parchment sheets. I've taken 2 parchment sheets and I'm greasing both the sheets. And then I'm going to take a small portion of the dough, place the dough on the parchment sheet and press it, and place another sheet on top of it, the grease portion down, and press it with the help of your palm and then with the rolling pin. See, lovely, thin, not very thin. Now with the help of a bowl or with a cutter, I'm going to cut it into round shape, remove the extra portion. This I'm going to use it again. See, lovely round shape. My gujiya is on the way of being made. So now I'm adding the mixture. That is your stuffing. Little portion of stuffing is being added. And see how I roll it. With the help of the parchment paper, I put the half portion of the dough onto the stuffing. And I'm going to press it. That also with the help of the parchment paper only. I'm going to press it with my palm and with my fingers. Just seal the sides. Meanwhile, my oven is being preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. Now with the help of the fork, I am going to seal it, but this is not required. This is basically done when you are frying the gujiyas. Since I am not frying it, so while baking, for baking you don't need to fork it. So my gujiyas is ready to be baked. I am placing it on a non-stick baking tray. Similarly, I am going to make other gujiyas even. See, I'll show you if you put extra stuffing what happens. In one of my gujiya, I tried to put some extra stuffing. See, I tried to put a good quantity of stuffing. So it becomes difficult if you stuff it more. As such, it won't be difficult because you are baking it, but if you are frying it, it becomes difficult. I haven't tried the frying style. See, it does not seal. It does not get sealed. So I have prepared about 7 gujiyas, but in total this gives you 14 gujiyas. Now this I am baking for 12 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And now I am going to take it out, let it get cool. It's cooked properly, it has become crispy. See, I am just showing you it has browned from both the sides. And if you use the market bought almond flour, the color would be golden yellow, lovely color. Since this almond flour has the skin also, so my almond flour is a bit of in brown color. I use homemade almond flour. So now comes the tasting time. Lovely, it's looking so beautiful. I can see the charoli seeds and the almond pieces even. Lovely, awesome, it's so delicious. You have to make it to believe it. I can feel the crispiness of the gujiya, the covering, and the softness of the stuffing even. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to my channel, and please post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. And once again, happy Holi to all of you. Play with colorful colors and bring colors to your life. Thank you.